Hello everyone and welcome to another Claude tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to connect Claude to n8n. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So all you have to do is to come here to Claude, click on the bottom left hand side, go to settings. And once you come here, you're going to go to connectors. And here you're going to say browse connectors. And you are going to look for n8n. So you're going to click on this option, and all you have to do really is to click on connect here and connect the two software, n8n with Claude. That's pretty much it. Now here under tools, Claude is basically telling you what are the current capabilities, what Claude can definitely do when it comes to n8n, search workflows, get workflow details, execute workflows, and you can also have a conversation with Claude, and you can discover a lot more opportunities when it comes to working together with n8n. That's it for this video. That's how easy it is to connect n8n with Claude. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye everyone.